to YouTube. This your boy CJ.
This your girl RINA.
And this is our baby Sinclair. Make sure y'all subscribe to CJ and RINA. Alright, today we got a reaction video on plane engines. Guys, if y'all not subscribed to the channel, hit that face over there so y'all don't miss any more videos. And also donate below so we keep going. Guys, if y'all don't see that face over there, make sure y'all press that button below. It still says subscribe so y'all don't miss any more videos, guys. And I know y'all ready. I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
You're ready. Alright, let's go.
This United Airlines Boeing 777 suffered an engine explosion after takeoff in Denver.
Wow.
What?
That engine looks like it's about to fall off.
At any moment.
And it's on fire.
Engine parts were seen flying from the sky. Oh my God. The sky is falling.
Are these?
The inlet cowling was found in front yard while the plane returned to Denver and landed safely. Wow.
Wow. That's how you know them engines are huge.
Watch the Learjet pilot perform. During pre-flight checks, these guys found out that their airplane wing wasn't attached properly.
Okay, Jerry, he's going to move the wing. So now, you will see. Slowly. Forward now. Yeah.
Wow.
Watch the fighter pilot pulling some G's. Wow. Fall apart.
Right.
The glider pilot is performing a very low final approach to Italy.
Siamo in questo momento in corso un atterraggio, c'è una pioggia che si leggera adesso, il vento è molto variabile tra i nodi. Soppiato grande, sono a 7 km, tema non completato.
This is like a different type of plane.
Said it was a jet. The Russian Takeoff Tu-160 supersonic strategic bomber is getting the boost.
This is the magnetic.
Oh, plane. Oh, it's getting cool in the air.
No, it's getting fuel.
Oh. One of the most efficient ways for snow removal.
Wow. The engine is pushing it. Wow, that was different. That was actually nice. Y'all can see what planes can actually do. So that's why you got to be really cautious on getting a plane, because you never know if you're gonna have an eruption from an engine, or lose an engine, or wing that you can see. These kind of videos make you not want to get on a plane.
I'm scared of flying, period.
Yeah, you may be scared, but I'm kind of getting scared myself. And I used to be, I'm still in love with planes. It's just seeing what people.
I feel like that was a once in a lifetime thing. We have a car.
I'm thinking like, things happen too quickly on planes. It's like they can't do anything.
You know what? Can somebody explain in the comments how are airplanes safer than cars?
I definitely want to know that one.
Because a lot of people say that planes are way safer than cars.
Yeah, y'all definitely give that comment. And also check out this video in the description below, comment below, and also donate below. So keep going.
And guys, make sure to subscribe to CJ and RINA.
Like always, guys. Peace.
Bye.